You'll like the certified 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. It comes with 4-wheel drive, and it has a tow package. It also has heated leather seats. It's bound to sell fast with features like keyless entry, home link system, and climate control. And the power adjustable pedals, traction control, and moonroof make it all the more attractive. Come on out and take it for a test drive today.
At family-owned Classic Chevrolet Buick GMC, car buying is fun again. We are conveniently located on East Highway 377 in Granbury.